PR. Now check all the states are available. Yes, PQR is available, PS is available, S is available, PR, is it available? Sorry, it is PS. Is it PS? It's PR. One second. So we had for PQR, it is PR. So PR is available. Yes, it is available. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the total states, but actual numbers are 1. These were 1, 2, 3, 4. Then PQ is having number 5 and PR is having number 6. PS is having 7. Then we are having next state as 8 and finally 11. So these number states are remaining. That means total 9 states are remaining out of 15 in a final state, DFA. Now again, is it a minimize? Once again verify. How to verify? How to verify it? Just check here. PQP combination nowhere available. RR, S, S, PQR, PR available nowhere. PSP no. PSPS, is it available? PSPS is available and here also PS and PS is available, right? So again we can minimize, but before minimizing we need to check. See here PS is a final state and PQR is a non-final state. So we cannot write PQR is equivalent to what? PQR is equivalent to PS. We can't write this because this is a non-final state and this is a final state. So equivalent does not exist. So here there is no possibility of minimizing this. So this is your final DFA. Now when you will, one last step is, now we are drawing the transition graph. Still it is not over. You'll find again some problems in this. So this is the first way to minimize. Now second way is to check whether you are having any unreachable states. What do you mean by this? So again with the diagram I will tell you. Unreachable state means from starting to final state. If you don't have any network, any transition, then those states are called as unreachable state. And third case is, are you reaching to any dead state? So dead state example I have given in last discussion, or a trap state. That means once you reach to this particular state, there is no movement for any other state or towards final state. So we want to also check for these things. So how we will check? So very first I will draw the diagram, that is transition graph for given this one. So I will write here P, then let me fastly write down all this. So P, Q, R, S. So this is my Q, this is my R, and this is my S. Okay, so PQRS states are there. Now I am making a transition. P is moving to a fifth state, which is my fifth state. It is Q state, PQ state, right? So it is a PQ. Then P is moving with 1, with what? This is very important. Many students are missing this symbol information. With 1 it is moving to itself, right? Then with Q on 0, I am moving to R. Q on 1 also, I am moving to R. Right? Next, R on 0. R on 0 moves to C. So R on 0 moves to S. R on 0 moves to S. And then R on 0 moves to S. On 1 move where? Then S on 0 and on 1 move to itself. Right? Next, PQ. PQ state on 0 moves to a state named as PQR. Right? Then PQ, this is important. PQ on 1 moves to PR. So PR state is there. So this is my PR state, suppose. So PQ on 1 moves to PR state. Now PR on 0 moves to PS. PS state is there? No. So I need to make a state which is named as PS. Right? Okay. So now what is remaining? We were discussing about C. So PQ turn is over. PQ is over. PR on 0 moves to PS. Then PR on 1 moves to P. Next, PS on 0 and 1, right? It is moving to itself. So very first, since there is a final state, let me make it as a final state. This is 0 and with 1 also it is moving. This is also a final state, right? So PS on 0 and 1 moves to itself. Then QR, where is my QR state? Is there any QR state here? Have I reached to QR state here? Nowhere. 8 number state. So QR is, am I right? 8 number state is moving to S, whether that state is available. So I will make here PQ. This is a QR state, okay, which is on, I have made QR state which is on 0, right, moves to S, and QR on 1 moves to R, right? Next, PQR. QR is a state. Yes. PQR on, where is my PQR? Yes, this is my PQR. PQR on 0 moves to PS. And PQR on 1, PQR on 1 moves to PS. So PQR on 0 as well as with 1 is moving to S. Something is wrong. Is what? P is, let me check. So it's state 12 and 7, 12, 6. Have I written down everything correctly?
Madam, it is PR.
Yes.
PS.
Yes, it is PR. That's why something is wrong here. So it's PR. So PQR on 1 moves to PR. Now it's correct, right? Now here, as we can see in this total diagram, okay, what is the observation? The observation is now state number 4 and now if you will observe, very first minimization is done. Now we will be checking for whether you are having any unreachable state. What do you mean by this? Now if you will observe this particular state, this one, this state, is it reachable from initial state from anywhere? No. So second thing is, if you will see in this table, from initial state with any combination, you are not reaching to this QR. So we can discard all these things from our final state. This is one thing. Second is, what are the other things? Now, if you will observe this particular diagram, you can see clearly there is a network kind of break. Is it? There is no connection between this part and this part. You are not reachable to Q, R and S from the initial state. Is there any state, any transition from any of the state through the initial state to this part? There is nowhere, no connection. So when there is a no connection, we will say it is a break, it is a network break. There is no connection, or this part is unreachable from initial state. So clearly we can discard this particular part. Okay, so we will be having final DFA. Now what about a dead state or trapped state? So if from here I am reaching to any state where it is not reaching to a final state, then in that case we will call it as a dead state. So I have given you example in a NFA, you can verify it later. So finally our DFA is P. So just copy all this, okay, and nominate this particular states. Okay, so this will be your final DFA. Okay, so you can leave final DFA. So as usual, what we can do now, we can nominate these states, and after nomination we can say that our final DFA will be as, this will be your A state. Is it visible? Okay, let me. So now I am naming the P state as A state 0, PQ is nominated as B, then PQR is nominated as D, this is nominated as C, and then the state E. So we have 5 states now, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and now we will just show same transitions as we have written down in the earlier diagram, right? So it was, is it visible? Yes. So there is a self loop here, 1, then from C to A we have with 1 transition, then from B to C with 0 we are moving to D, again from D to C we are moving with 1, then there is a transition, just copying it. Right? So in this way I have copied all the transitions, and this will be a final DFA. So in paper you have to write the finalized or minimized DFA with the transition graph as well as with this table. So now in this table you will be having input symbol as 0 and 1, and number of states are A, B, C, D and E. where E is final state, A is initial state. Now, accordingly, you just copy. So from A to B, on A, with 0 we are moving to B, with 1 we are moving to A, then B on 0 moves to D, B on 1 moves to C, then C on 0 moves to E, C on 1 moves to A, then D on 0 moves to E, then D on 1 moves to C, then E on 0 and 1 moves to itself, that is E. So in this way, you have to write the DFA for given NFA. So I hope you have understood. While minimizing the DFA, we have to consider the equivalent states. As well, we have to identify if there are any unreachable states. And then finally, we have to also discard the dead states which are trapping, or they are also called as trap state. So with this, I hope you have understood all this.